Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to be spotlighting some top models who's turned their tootsies into a treasure trove on FeetFinder. Whether you're just starting out or if you're looking to enhance your foot photo game, these creators with their standout FeetFinder profiles and usernames will definitely inspire you with their success and their creativity. From unique styles to creative themes, they are rocking the feet photo market, okay? Let's go ahead and dive into what makes each of these FeetFinder stars shine. Breckie Hill isn't just a country music sensation. She's also a star on FeetFinder. With her petite size 6s usually dazzled up in vibrant red polish, Breckie's feet perform whether on hay bales or on stage. Her profile is a masterclass in how versatility can keep your audience captivated and coming back for more. Next up is Jameliz, whose feet pics are as colorful as her personality. From funky nail art to creative poses and her distinctive heel work, Jameliz knows how to make each shot a masterpiece. Fans rave about her vibrant foot photos, such as the popular Jameliz Hill feet, where her playful yet stylish presentations shine. Her followers on FeetFinder can't get enough, proving you can turn a simple feet photo into a viral sensation. Meet Valerica Steele, a powerhouse with legs that demand attention. Known for her bold shoe choices, from thigh-high boots to striking high heels, Valerica's profile is a hit for those who appreciate strength portrayed through foot modeling. Her compelling content on FeetFinder, tagged as Valerica Steele Feet, demonstrates the power of confidence in every shot, captivating a niche audience that adores the blend of athleticism and elegance in foot photography. We also have Waifumiia, whose approach to foot photography is nothing short of ethereal. Her photos are like whispers of fantasy, captivating her audience with a refined and almost otherworldly allure. Each image focuses on the delicate details of Waifumiia's feet, from the graceful arches to the elegant toe alignment, serving as a testament to how foot photography can literally transcend into art. Waifumiia's FeetFinder profile invites viewers to appreciate the beauty and grace found in the simplicity of a foot shot, showcasing her unique features that make her specific feet stand out in the feet market. And last but certainly not least, we come to Abella Danger, a powerhouse in the adult industry that's known for her fearless approach to content creation. Abella Danger feet are bold, flawless, and unapologetically forward, showcasing the dynamic and diverse nature of foot modeling. Each image highlights the daring nature of her perfectly pedicured toes and her strong, expressive arches. Abella's presence on FeetFinder not only caters to a broad audience, but also infuses the platform with a touch of celebrity allure, making her a standout profile in the grand finale in our showcase of top feet models. Are you ready to start your own foot pic journey? Go ahead and jump on over to FeetFinder.com, register, and breeze through the verification process. There's no limit to what you can create, from candid shots to style poses with heels. FeetFinder is your platform to shine. So go ahead and get verified and start uploading. These models are just the tip of the iceberg. Each one brings something unique to the table, proving that with the right approach, anyone can turn their feet into a profitable showcase on FeetFinder. Subscribe for more insights and make sure to check out their FeetFinder profiles for detailed views and tips on how you can enhance your own foot photo profile. Don't miss the chance to learn from the best and see what makes their feet stand out on the platform. Don't just sit there, join the community. Visit FeetFinder.com to start your journey and make sure to subscribe to our channel for all the latest tips and updates. Whether you're in it for fun or for profit, FeetFinder welcomes you. Catch you in the next video and keep on snapping those stunning shots.